Hi there, today I'm making skillet okra. Be sure to buy whole frozen okra, not sliced frozen okra, because sliced frozen okra has kind of a personality problem. It gets slimy, so be sure to buy the whole okra. To be clear, today we're not preparing Oprah, the media icon. Today we're preparing okra, the southern vegetable. 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 package frozen okra, 1 chopped onion, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and a half teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. Put the oil in the pan, add the onion, and cook until it's browned and fragrant. Add your spices. Stir it to keep it moving. You don't want anything to burn. Your heat should be about medium-high. Add the okra and stir it in. Mix it well with the onions. You want the flavors to meld. There's a little surprise in this package. Look at the size of this okra. It almost doesn't fit in the pan. Then cover them. You want them to steam. After a little bit of just plain steaming, add about a 1/2 to 3/4 cup of water and cover it to steam some more. It's about time to measure the temperature in the dish. I use a quick read thermometer, and when it read 165, I'm considering it done. Dinner served. I'm serving the okra with leftovers I made 2 days ago, skillet, spuds, and shrooms. It's a dish I'm going to feature in a different video. I think you really like this skillet okra. The dogs send their love. Lady Beanie and Lord Weenie say hello. Please like this video and subscribe.